The modified electronic prototype 791R. And there's the factory. There's an e-bike underneath this box. And it comes from a factory that had to cut a hole in our tailbox to make it fit. Now the seams, the corners were of great concern because there was a spot where the opening to the chloroplast could be seen. We don't want water in there. And with this here, wait. And now, that look better? Okay. I had to do all four corners and go over them again to make sure. But there's this aluminum tape. And put up 3 layers. Here's the roll of tape. It's this kind of tape. And it's sitting on my solar panel. Reflecting light right now. But this is where I've been putting it in the corners. This chloroplast crate is 21 inches by 19 inches by 17 inches. It is tapered. I can't give it an exact fit, but this is an electronic prototype. You can see all the wires. The yellow wire is the left turn signal. There's our big ass lithium iron phosphate. So that's our aluminum tape. Oh, the aluminum tape. By the way, this I'm gonna paint it. This is the metallic blue. It appears here on this. Oh, that's our tailbox. This is a much streamlined tailbox. You pay extra for this. Makes your bike go faster. Conserves amperage. That's the tailbox. There's 2 different fairings. This is our fairing number 18. This is fairing number 21.